Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript front-end web tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to create a colorful rainbow text using CSS styles. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice we got the colorful text in this div element. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a JavaScript-tutorials. And here it is, our JavaScript tutorials is added to the VS Explorer, JavaScript tutorials. Now, I will add a new HTML file called rainbow colorful text.html. And here we got the newly created HTML file. Now let's minimize this VS Explorer, as well as I'm closing this welcome, which I don't require. Now let's start the coding part. First, let's add the doc type HTML, the basic HTML elements I'm adding here. Inside the HTML element, I'm adding the header section. After that, I'm adding the body tag. Now inside the body tag, I'm adding one div element, I'm adding a class called some around rainbow text. The class name is a rainbow text. Let's define hello, this is Charan, and welcome to my channel, JavaScript web front end tutorials. Let's add the break. Now let's copy this one. Just for the demo purpose, I have added some text here. Now the styles, let's create the rainbow text styles. Script, not the script, style. We require the style, style. Rainbow text, I am adding styles to this div tag to create the rainbow text. Dot, when I add dot means it's a class. I am adding a class rainbow text. Background linear gradient to right. Let's add the red, orange, orange, blue, white, green, black, pink, purple, gray, ivory, and let's add the indigo, and violet. Let's add the violet here. Violet. That's it. I want to apply all these colors to this div element. And background clip. Let's add the background clip to text. Background clip to text. Hyphen WebKit background clip. Background clip is text. Color is transparent, and font size I'm adding around 40 pixels. That's it. We have created the styles to this rainbow text to display this. Whatever the text in this div, I will get the rainbow colors or different colors, the colorful. Let's save this file, save. We will check the final output of our application. Open File Explorer. The folder I have created in the E drive, and the folder name is JavaScript-tutorials. And the file name is a rainbow colorful text. Let's open that one. And here we got the final output. Let's decrease the size. Instead of 40, I'm adding 32. Let's save this file again. Save. I'm reloading the browser. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice we got the colorful text in this div element. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a colorful text, the rainbow colorful text using a CSS styles. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.